Good morning, Professor. By listening to my presentation today, I hope you can get a better idea about Americares Foundation. On the website called Americares, there is a particular quotation by Bob McCulley, who is the founder of Americares Foundation, and he says, "The only thing that is going to save the world is love. Pure and simple, just love." My name is Diego Perez, and in this opportunity, I divided my presentation into three areas as the following. First, what is Americares and what is its mission? Second, why this organization was created. And finally, some solutions that they propose to improve the quality of life. First of all, we know that there are many countries that are periodically affected by natural disasters. America's Foundation is a non-profit organization that was founded by Bob McCulley in 1979. From that year until today, this organization has grown and helped thousands of people enormously. The mission is to save lives and improve the health of people affected by poverty or disaster so that they can reach their full potential. Americares has programs that promote health centers, training that elevate health workers, and medicines that save thousands of lives. Americares has distributed nearly $20 billion in aid and life-changing health programs to 164 countries, including the United States. The programs that they have are based on four pillars, such as the following. First, help communities prepare for and recover from disaster. Second, increase the access of medicine and critical medical supplies. Third, improve and expand clinical services. And fourth, prevent diseases and promote good health in vulnerable communities. Now that I've talked about our problems, let's talk about the causes. First of all, it is important to emphasize that nature is unpredictable and is the cause of many natural disasters. But, coupled with this, there is a problem of developing countries whose governments normally allocate little budget for education and health, giving place where those who are in charge of directing the country and managing its resources are people without preparation and experience. And when a natural disaster occurs, many of these countries fall out of favor and their economies affected, and their people die from floods, diseases, among others. It is easy to deduce then that the main causes by which these countries are affected are due to the little foresight that exists. Also, the lack of budget to prevent disasters and the little capacity and honesty of those who are in charge to undertake development projects and protection in cases of disaster. There is another quotation that caught my attention as well. According to Jim Yong Kim, who is the World Bank Group president, he says, "Every year, an estimated 100 million people, that's more than a quarter of a million people every day, are forced into poverty as a result of out-of-pocket health care costs." Finally, to conclude my presentation, I will mention some solutions. Recently, Americares has been very busy responding to the COVID-19 pandemic with shipments of much-needed protective equipment, infection control supplies, and mental health support for healthcare workers at hospitals in the United States and all over the world. When people are in crisis, they make sure that health comes first. Its emergency programs help communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from disasters. In addition, they provide access to medicines and supplies to millions of people around the world. Its clinical services provide quality medical care for affected people. And also, they create and support sustainable programs that strengthen community health. One very important thing to keep in mind is that Americares has volunteer opportunities and they are free clinics in Connecticut. Additionally, Americares has volunteer opportunities for medical professionals and logistics experts who want to join their roster of trained first responders. Um, this organization has used the donations as an opportunity to reflect its commitment to support programs in which 98% of its expenses are channeled directly to help those in need, while 2% is, is distributed into administrative costs. In this way, I have concluded my presentation. Thank you very much. I appreciate you giving me time to search my research about America's Foundation with you today.